In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about deleting payment methods on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook web browser. And then once you have that open, you want to select the three-dotted icon up at the top right. Go down and select passwords and autofill, and then select payment methods. Any payment methods that are saved should appear down here. And then in that case, you can just exit or put a little trash bin icon to delete them. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.